Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone where for some reason the iPhone just keeps randomly restarting. So sometimes you go and boot it up and you're working fine with it and everything, but the iPhone will randomly reboot. Now, this can happen for a couple different reasons. If you're rocking a beta on your iPhone, so if you're rocking any beta, iOS 15, 16, 17, 18 in the future, you can probably assure yourself that you're going to run into random reboots and tons of issues. So what I would recommend doing is if you're sick and tired of it, you can go and make your way over to your settings panel. Click on software update here, and you want to see if there's an official update available. Some updates in the future will allow you to go ahead and install an official version, I think in a beta too. If for some reason there's no official version, you can always downgrade your iPhone, but you may want to go ahead and update your iPhone anyway, and that goes for anyone, whether you're on a beta or not. Updating your iPhone can pretty much fix a lot of those issues. They can also cause some issues too, but if it's a random reboot, that's a pretty big deal, and you may want to go ahead and update your phone because there's probably a fix out for it. Now, for some reason that doesn't work, another thing you can do is you want to go ahead and close out of any applications that you're using in the background, and you want to go ahead and see if there are any apps that you just recently downloaded that could have caused this random issue. So what does that mean? Well, to be honest, if you recently jailbroke your iPhone, if you installed a bunch of tweaked apps on your iPhone too, that can cause some issues overall on your device, and you're probably going to be better off if you just fully go ahead and eliminate those devices as a whole, delete those apps, and pretty much go through and just use your iPhone as you normally would and see if that fixed the problem. Now, in my personal case, whenever I used to jailbreak my phone, certain tweaks would always, just randomly reboot my phone, and they were not the ones that were like super popular, random ones I was just kind of messing around with. I would recommend not doing that. And that is easily another way to go ahead and fix that specific situation as well. Now, if your phone is still rebooting, you may have to go ahead and factory reset your phone because maybe there are some random issues going on in the background and the reboot is probably caused by that. So what you can do is back up your iPhone fully. So you can do an iCloud backup, full backup on iOS 15 as well. So you can click on General here. You can go click on Transfer Reset iPhone. Click this option up here to pretty much back up your iPhone. And then what you want to do is you want to erase all content settings only after you've actually done a backup because this will erase everything from your phone. So you want to back up everything you've done and then you want to click here and you want to erase everything from this phone. So that will probably fix it. If you're still experiencing issues, I'll probably recommend contacting Apple and having them take a look at your iPhone. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.